Wash your hand.
Wash your hand. Okay, good.
Got the soap.
You got your soup. Soup. Your soup, my love. Here, Started with soup. You all close this. You close this. Your soup na. You get the soup. That one. Okay.
What's that?
Soup. Here, the soup. Another with soup. There. Then,
What's that?
another with soup na. Your hand. Good job. Very good. More. More again. More again. Other one. Another one your hand. I'm holding you. You need to finish.
I'm so scared. One. Oh, okay. We got this one. Choco.
Get choco.
Choco.
Where's the choco? There.
Okay.
Get 2 scoop. Put in the cup.
Put in the cup.
1,
One.
2, 3. Okay, next one. You close it.
Now,
Put on the there. And then milk powder. Get milk powder. Wow, very good. 3 scoop Put in the cup. Put inside the cup. 1, 2. One more. 3. Then return it inside the container. Cover it. Cover it. Next sugar. You put only 2 2. 1, 2. I close it already. You close the container. You close it na. Close the container again. Put in hot water. Hot water. There. Hot water. Hot water.
Yeah.
Put in hot water.
Okay.
Shake it. As a spoon.
Here's a spoon.
Shake it. Shake. Mix it. Mix. Very good.